Hello guys, welcome to Tell Me Fix. In this video I will teach you how to enable Windows script host. So before we start, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep you updated to my latest videos. So we're going to start. First you will go to the run button, click run, then you type regedit, and then choose. I should just have to close this first. Close this. Okay, and go to local machine. Go to software. Software, Microsoft, and then find Windows script. I just have to expand this. We'll find Windows script host. Here we go, the script host. Then click settings. Should go. It should have the word enable. So if it doesn't have, you right click, new, you type the D word or keyword, the D word, then you type the word enabled. And then you right click it to modify the value, choose 1, and then you close it. You should have solved your problem. That's all guys, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you.